fuck me, mate. You can't even, like, say that you didn't have time to slow down for that one. That was a proper fucking jump. Wanker. How? That just came off so perfectly. Cunt! Oh well, that's a smart idea, isn't it? Idiots. Wanker. Fucking hell. Shit. Luckily there wasn't really anyone right next to me at that time. Shit. Whoa, fuck me, look what you're doing. Whoa, fucking hell. Was it really fucking worth that? You'd only sit at the fucking lights in front of me now. Cunt. Come on. They've gone green, go then. If you're in that much of a rush, you cunt. Wow, that's a good fucking move, isn't it? Dickhead. What the fuck are you doing? Dickhead. That's a great place to just fucking sit, isn't it? Oh, what a surprise. Fucking bus is blocking the turn-in. Come on, you can easily move forwards a bit, you prick. There we go. Fucking retard. No. Why? Dickhead. Fucking prick. Look up, fuck me. That's not the best place to sit, really, is it? On a fucking roundabout. Fuck are you going, mate?